Hi, I'm Iqbal and today's video lesson is about the time in English. Knowing how to say the time is vital to communicating in English, so let's find out more. Look, listen and try to repeat. The time is 8 o'clock. We can also say it's 8 o'clock. Now it's 8:15. We can also say it's 8:15. Now the time is 8:30. We can also say it's 8:30. Now the time is 8:45. We can also say it's 8:45. And now the time is 9 o'clock. Let's look at some more ways of talking about time. Here it's 9:10 or 9:10. Now we can say it's 9:20 or we can say it's 9:20. Here we can say it's 9:25. We can also say it's 9:35. And finally, here we can say it's 5:10 or 9:55. In English, we say midday when it's 12 o'clock during the day, and we say midnight when it's 12 o'clock at night. What about asking about time? How can you ask someone the time if you don't know? You can say, "What's the time?" You can also say, "What time is it?" Or, "Please, can you tell me the time?" These are 3 different ways to ask about the time. You can reply by saying, for example, it's 11:30 or 11:30. Now you know about talking about time in English. Today we learn how to say the time in different ways and how to ask what the time is. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.